My friend Bella introduced me to martial arts. She told me to join, and her mum was also doing BFF with my mum, so they talked about it, and I started at white belt when I was about 8 years old. I started martial arts because I wanted to get stronger and learn how to defend myself. When I saw my mum doing her BFF lessons, I started to join and I really liked it. The person I was like before martial arts, I was more shy. I didn't really volunteer as much and didn't feel so confident in myself. Since I've been doing martial arts, I liked volunteering, helping with things, being the leader and trying to help other people. My confidence has really improved. I've learned how to speak in big crowds and I haven't been as shy as much. Martial arts has helped me as a person because I've learned to practice for things, and it's helped me with all my other schoolwork and practicing getting my tip and becoming a higher belt. Martial arts has helped me at school because I have improved in my grades and gotten higher marks and helped me to be able to stand up for myself in situations which weren't good situations. My goal is to get to black belt because I am a purple black, and I'm trying to get to black belt before I am 13 years old. People should do martial arts so they can get fit, be able to stand up for themselves, learn what's right and what's wrong, and help them to be confident in themselves.
So Rosana here was Leader of the Month due to her dedication, always trying her best in class. She always does everything she's told, has a smile on her face. She tries her hardest and is just so bubbly and friendly to have in class. And she just makes a difference in all the classes she helps out in. So that's why you were Leader of the Month. Woohoo!